Divine Collective, God is calling you into healing. It's time to see beyond the mask. I heard the performance no longer impresses you. Their lesson belongs to them, Divine Collective, and your lesson belongs to you. Every boundary that you establish weakens unhealthy attachments, Divine Collective. Someone here wants to apologize because it's the right thing to do. Is that what I'm hearing, Spirit? Someone wants to apologize because it's the right thing to do. Spirit says this person is coming to the realization that you are the chosen one, Divine Collective, and your purpose is unfolding. Okay? They can't ignore this any longer. This is someone who has been trying to ignore your ranking, your spiritual ranking. Spirit says you don't need validation. Energetically, you know what it is, Divine Collective. Energetically, this person knows what it is. You don't need anyone's validation. You don't need anyone to tell you who you are, who you are not, Divine Collective. Spirit is here providing great comfort and support on your journey. There's still people here, Divine Collective, that are trying to figure out shortcuts, loopholes, and ways to manipulate the system instead of transforming themselves here. Wow. I can sit here and tell you this, Divine Collective. There are no cheat codes. There are no shortcuts. And as most of you know, my name is the Cheat Code Alchemist, okay? One day, I'll explain to you how I came up with that, Divine Collective, but I want to say this. There are absolutely no cheat codes, okay? I just feel that the way I navigated through certain situations, I feel, as I've told most of you, I feel like I was in an accelerated course, spirituality course. So in saying that, I feel like I navigated things fairly quick, Divine Collective, which made me feel like I had a cheat code, right? However, don't get it twisted. I did a lot of work on myself. I did a lot of shadow work, a lot of healing, Divine Collective. There is absolutely no cheat code, okay, when it comes to this journey. Continue evolving, Spirit says, 3:01 on the clock. Spirit says, healed people continue evolving and unhealed people continue blaming. You're leaving one chapter behind, Divine Collective, and walking directly into another one. This is very beautiful energy that I'm picking up on. There's a regal frequency surrounding you. Someone was doing voodoo here. I heard assassin and voodoo. Wow. Someone here was viewing you through the eyes of opportunity, Divine Collective. They saw you as a resource instead of a relationship here. And now this person has been called into spiritual court. I heard ego is not accepted as evidence. Character is. This is someone with a very, very big ego, very arrogant, someone who viewed you through the eyes of opportunity. Whoever this is, they've been called into spiritual court here, Divine Collective. I'm hearing closure doesn't always require another conversation. And then I got quiet conversations. Someone here may want to have a conversation with you without anyone knowing, Divine Collective. What's this about, Spirit? I'm getting closure doesn't always require another conversation, and then I'm getting quiet conversations, okay? Yeah, whoever this is, they're going to jail. There's no way around it. I do feel like whoever this is, they want to apologize because it's the right thing to do, Divine Collective. This person knows they're going to jail. They can't get around this. Energy does not lie, Divine Collective. Going out of town, career stability. Some of you may be going out of town here in regards to your career. Someone was hoping that life would overwhelm you. So if you feel like lately things have just kind of been thrown your way, Divine Collective, that you weren't prepared for, things have just felt a little bit overwhelming, maybe the noise of the Matrix. This is someone doing spell work in the background. Well, voodoo. I got voodoo. Someone hoping that life would overwhelm you. Drink more water. Intuitively, I've been picking up on that, Divine Collective. Spirit, every time I open the fridge, I hear Spirit say, drink more water. I already drink a lot of water, Divine Collective. However, I drink flavored water. I don't drink just plain water, and I think Spirit is telling me that, yeah, that's not going to work. Not flavored water. I did not say flavored water. Drink more water, okay? You are being reminded that you are exactly where you are meant to be in this reading, 6:05 on the clock. Spirit says this person, their frustration really isn't about you, Divine Collective, okay? They're obsessed with swapping destinies. It's your destiny. This is an opportunist. Again, they've seen you through the eyes of opportunity here. They're obsessed with swapping destinies. It's your destiny that they want. Someone that you are married to, Divine Collective? I'm getting marriage, engagement, proposal. This is someone that you were possibly married to, now divorced from. You owe yourself recognition. I'm getting the three-headed beast. Another shapeshifter here, Divine Collective. You have a lot of shapeshifters in your energy, obsessed with swapping their destiny with yours, and vice versa, okay? This is never going to happen. This is never going to take place. These energies are very delusional, Divine Collective. I'm picking up on a change that may initially feel uncomfortable, such as a move. We picked up on relocation or moving away for a career, Divine Collective. Separation, packing, leaving. This is divine redirection, not loss. This is protection. I heard activating in motion, okay? Cut ties with this person. You're going to be cutting ties with someone and moving away, Divine Collective, and this may feel uncomfortable. I've been picking up on this for a while now, at least a couple weeks. This has been heavy in the energy. Someone that's still kind of holding on here to your energy. I do feel like you're cutting ties with someone, and if you're not doing this on your own accord, I do feel like your spirit team is stepping in here, okay? I keep hearing this may feel uncomfortable, but this is for your protection. Someone here is being very cold and heartless, Spirit says. Spell work, hexes, curses, all of them have been broken. Someone was doing a lot, Divine Collective. I got voodoo, spell work, hexes, curses, all broken. What begins as one voice can ripple across countless lives, Divine Collective. Continue telling your story, Spirit says. Your mind is sacred ground, 8:38 on the clock. Pray before reacting, meditate before assuming, and ground yourself before responding. This season is not about rushing, it's about planning, Divine Collective. Boundaries are not punishment, boundaries are wisdom. Spirit wants you to, in this next chapter of your life, Divine Collective, Spirit wants you to build relationships slowly, allow trust to be earned, healthy connections to grow through consistency, not intensity, okay? You have someone here, an Emperor in the reverse. I feel like this is this ex, someone you were married to, Divine Collective. This is a Scrooge. Someone who is stuck in the past. They often revisit the past. This is a Scrooge-like energy, Divine Collective. An ex, confirmation, look at this. An ex that is haunted by you, Divine Collective, haunted by the past. They can't seem to move forward from the past here. They're looping, they're stuck. Spirit says prepare for what you are praying for. Learn, save, plan wisely, and remain open to unexpected opportunities. Someone here fell from grace because they mocked